Hi friends, in this session we will see some of the MCQs or one word answers in replication, that is in prokaryotes, particularly in Griffith, Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy experiments. Here we will go. The characteristics of genetic material. Options: carries information, B, passes from one generation to another, C, self-replicating molecule, D, all. The answer is all. Next question. Which experiment proves that DNA as genetic material? Options: A, transformation experiment by Griffith, B, Avery MacLeod McCarthy experiment, C, Hershey and Chase experiment, D, all. Answer is all. Next question. Transformation experiment was conducted by options: A, Griffith, B, MacLeod, C, McCarthy, D, Avery, E, Hershey and Chase. The answer is Griffith. Next, Streptococcus pneumonia causes A, malaria, B, pneumonia, C, diarrhea, D, all. Answer is pneumonia. Next, Streptococcus pneumonia is also known as. The answer is pneumococcus. Pneumococcus forms two types of colonies on agar medium. What are they? Options: A, smooth colonies, B, rough colonies, C, both, D, none. Answer is both. Next, which strain of pneumococcus contains the capsule and is pathogenic? Options: A, S strain, B, R strain, C, both, D, none. The answer is S strain. Next, S strain of pneumococcus is also known as A, virulent, B, pathogenic, C, avirulent, D, non-pathogenic. The answers are virulent as well as pathogenic. Next question. R strain of pneumococcus is also known as A, virulent, B, pathogenic, C, avirulent, D, non-pathogenic. The answer is A, virulent as well as non-pathogenic. Next question. What happened to healthy mice after infecting them with S strain of Streptococcus pneumonia? Options: mice died, B, alive, C, none. Answer is A, mice died of pneumonia. Next, what happened to healthy mice after infecting them with R strain of Streptococcus pneumonia? Options: A, mice died, B, alive, C, none. Answer is alive. Next, what happened to healthy mice after injecting them with heat-killed S strain of Streptococcus pneumonia? Options: A, mice died, B, alive, C, none. The answer is alive. Mice were alive. Next, what happened to healthy mice after injecting them with both live R strain and heat-killed S strain of pneumonia? Options: A, mice died, B, alive, C, none. The answer is mice died of pneumonia. Next, in the presence of deoxyribonucleases, the R to S strain transformation takes place? State whether the statement is true or false. The answer is false. Another statement: proteolytic enzymes do not destroy the transforming activity. State whether true or false. The answer is true. The next question: the following techniques are used by Avery McLeod McCarthy to know the transforming trait. Options: A. Centrifugation, B. Electrophoresis, C. UV absorption, D. N by P ratio, E. All. The answer is all. Next, DNA is a negatively charged molecule. State whether it is true or false. The answer is true. DNA is negatively charged. Next, why is DNA a negatively charged molecule? Options: A. Due to the presence of nitrogen, B. Due to the presence of phosphorus, C. Due to the presence of carbon, D. Due to the presence of hydrogen. The answer is due to the presence of phosphorus. Next, what is the lambda max of nucleic acids? Options: A. 280 nanometers, B. 260 nanometers, C. both, D. none. The answer is 260 nanometers. Next, what is the lambda max of proteins? Options: A. 280 nanometers, B. 260 nanometers, C. both, D. none. Answer is A. 280 nanometer. Thank you for watching. Continue to watch the next video about replication. Learn more MCQs in the next video of replication. Thanks for watching.